When it comes to reclaiming independence and enjoying life on your own terms, having the right mobility scooter can make all the difference. Whether you're running errands, visiting loved ones, or just taking in the sights, a folding mobility scooter offers a perfect blend of convenience and portability. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 5 best folding mobility scooters of 2024. These scooters are designed to fit your lifestyle, giving you the freedom to move around with ease and confidence. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for up-to-date pricing and the best deals. Let's get started. Number 5. Metro Mobility M1 Lite. A scooter that perfectly balances portability and performance, making it an ideal choice for those seeking mobility assistance without sacrificing ease of use. This scooter has been engineered with the modern user in mind, providing a lightweight and convenient option for daily outings and travel. The M1 Lite is equipped with 2 removable 12Ah batteries, which collectively offer an impressive driving range of up to 10 miles on a full charge. This ensures that you can confidently go about your day without the constant worry of running out of power. With a top speed of 9.32 miles per hour, this scooter allows you to navigate through crowds with ease or enjoy a swift ride through your favorite park. Weighing just a fraction of what you might expect from a mobility scooter, the M1 Lite is still robust enough to accommodate users weighing up to 265 pounds. This versatility makes it a great option for a wide range of users. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The scooter features a padded leather seat that is fully adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect seating position for your comfort. The ergonomically designed U-shaped handle further enhances the user experience by offering optimal control and comfort during use. Safety is paramount with the M1 Lite. The scooter's one-piece body design not only adds to its durability, but also enhances its reliability, ensuring that it can withstand the rigors of daily use. Additionally, the M1 Lite is equipped with an emergency braking system and spring suspension, which work together to provide a smooth and safe ride, even over uneven terrain. To top it off, the scooter comes with a 1-year drivetrain guarantee and a 5-year limited maintenance plan, offering you peace of mind alongside your newfound mobility. Number 4. Atto Folding Mobility Scooter. A marvel of modern engineering that brings a new level of convenience and style to the mobility scooter market. This scooter is perfect for individuals who are always on the move and need a mobility solution that keeps up with their lifestyle. One of the most striking features of the Atto is its innovative folding mechanism. In less than 12 seconds, this full-size scooter can be folded down to the size of a small suitcase. This quick and easy transformation means you can seamlessly transition from riding your scooter to storing it without any hassle. When folded, the Atto can be carried like luggage or rolled behind you, making it incredibly easy to transport. It fits effortlessly into the trunk of most vehicles, making it a perfect travel companion. Despite its compact size when folded, the Atto does not compromise on performance. It boasts a driving range of up to 10 miles per charge, allowing you to stay on the move all day long. Whether you're navigating through a crowded market or enjoying a leisurely ride through the neighborhood, the Atto's agility and speed make it an excellent choice. Its sleek and stylish design ensures that you travel in both comfort and style. Operating the Atto is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly control panel. The panel includes speed control, an LED display, and a responsive braking system, giving you full control over your ride. Additional features like a horn, reverse switch, and USB charging port for your devices make the Atto as practical as it is stylish. And when you're done for the day, the Atto folds down compactly, allowing you to store it easily in your home or apartment without taking up too much space. Number 3. iLiving i3. The iLiving i3 earns the number 3 spot on our list by combining innovation and practicality in a way that few other mobility scooters can match. This scooter is designed for users who need a reliable and portable mobility solution that doesn't compromise on performance. One of the standout features of the iLiving i3 is its construction. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, this scooter is incredibly durable while remaining lightweight. Weighing just 53 pounds, the i3 is one of the easiest scooters to maneuver and transport, making it perfect for those who are constantly on the go. Its patented 3-step fold and unfold system is both quick and easy, allowing you to store or transport the scooter with minimal effort. Whether you're loading it into your car, SUV, or closet, the i3's compact design ensures it fits seamlessly into your life. The i3 is powered by heavy-duty lithium-ion batteries that provide a driving range of up to 14 miles on a single charge. For those who need to travel even further, there is an option to add a second battery, extending your range to an impressive 28 miles. This makes the i3 an excellent choice for both daily errands and longer adventures. This scooter is also designed with travel in mind, featuring an airplane-friendly design that adheres to most airline regulations. Whether you're flying domestically or internationally, the i3 is a perfect travel companion. Safety is another key feature of this scooter, with stability control features such as 4 wheels to prevent tip-overs, ensuring you have a secure and steady ride. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The i3 comes with deluxe seating and practical features such as LED headlights, tail lights, brake lights, a basket, and a USB charger for your convenience. Whether you're out for a quick trip or a day-long journey, the i3 has everything you need to stay comfortable and connected. Number 2. Metro Mobility Max Plus. Taking the number 2 spot on our list is the Metro Mobility Max Plus, a scooter that is designed to deliver enhanced performance and comfort, making it an excellent choice for users who need a reliable and powerful mobility solution. The Metro Mobility Max Plus is built to accommodate users weighing up to 300 pounds, making it one of the most versatile scooters on the market. It's powered by 2 sealed 20 lead-acid batteries, which provide a maximum speed of 4.97 miles per hour. This scooter also offers an impressive driving range of up to 16 miles per charge, ensuring you can travel far and wide without worrying about running out of power. This scooter is designed to handle a variety of terrains with ease, thanks to its 5.5-inch ground clearance and a climbing grade of 10 degrees. Whether you're navigating through city streets, shopping malls, or uneven outdoor paths, the Max Plus has the power and stability to get you where you need to go. The scooter's plush leather seat and adjustable backrest provide superior cushioning and support, ensuring that your ride is as comfortable as possible. The Max Plus also features an intuitive control panel that provides real-time updates on speed and battery power, allowing you to keep track of your scooter's performance throughout the day. Safety is another strong point of the Max Plus, with features like an electromagnetic brake and handbrake that offer precise control and enhanced safety. Additionally, the scooter is equipped with headlights, brake lights, and anti-roll wheels, ensuring that you remain visible and stable, whether you're driving during the day or at night. Number 1. iLiving V8. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the iLiving V8, the best folding mobility scooter of 2024. This scooter is a perfect blend of convenience, portability, and performance, making it the ultimate choice for users who need a reliable and lightweight mobility solution. The iLiving V8 is crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, which not only makes it incredibly durable, but also keeps its weight to a minimum. Weighing just 40 pounds with the batteries included, the V8 is one of the lightest scooters on the market. This makes it incredibly easy to transport, whether you're lifting it into the trunk of your car or carrying it with you on public transport. The scooter's 2-step fold and unfold mechanism ensures that it's ready to go whenever you are, and it folds down compactly for easy storage. Despite its lightweight design, the V8 packs a punch when it comes to performance. The scooter is powered by robust lithium-ion batteries that provide a driving range of up to 15 miles on a single charge, allowing you to enjoy your day without interruption. This makes it perfect for both daily use and longer journeys. Additionally, the V8 is UN 38.3 certified, making it safe for air travel and a perfect companion for your international adventures. Safety is at the forefront of the V8's design, with electronic stability control that intuitively reduces speed during turns. This feature helps to prevent accidents and gives you more confidence while riding. Whether you're navigating tight corners or cruising down a straight path, the V8 ensures you do so safely and comfortably. With its lightweight design, impressive range, and advanced safety features, the iLiving V8 offers a level of convenience and freedom that is unmatched by any other scooter on the market. It truly is the pinnacle of mobility solutions for 2024. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means everything to me, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what topics you'd like to see next on this channel.